Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix confirming your identity on PayPal. First, understand that PayPal requires this for security and to comply with financial regulations. To begin, log into your account and look for a notification banner or visit the Resolution Center. You will need to prepare a valid government-issued photo identification and a recent proof of address document. Next, you will need to upload your documents. Make sure the images are clear, high resolution, and easy to read. It is crucial that all four corners of your identification document are visible in the photo. For proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement, typically within the last 3 months, will be required. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for each upload. After submitting your documents, PayPal will begin the review process. This typically takes about 2 to 3 business days, so please be patient. Once your identity has been successfully confirmed, you will receive an email notification directly from PayPal. You can also check the status of your verification at any time by logging into your account and visiting the Resolution Center. If you encounter any issues or delays during the process, do not hesitate to contact PayPal customer support. The Secure Message Center within your account is an excellent way to get direct assistance from a representative. Always double-check that all personal details, such as your name and address, match exactly across all the documents you submit to avoid any discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.